Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss 3.5 sources of water pollution and their effect on ecosystem. In previous lecture we discussed about the definition of water pollution and one source and its effect on ecosystem. This is a sewage. One source is discussed in last lecture. Then in this lecture we are going to discuss second source of water pollution is agricultural discharge and its effect on their ecosystem. The agricultural discharge mainly include fertilizer, pesticides, because fertilizer are used for the yield of crop and the pesticide are used for the disease control, and all these washed out because of rainwater and they are get mixed with the rivers, wells and dams. It is an agricultural washout. Then first is a fertilizer. But what is a fertilizer? Fertilizer is uh, mostly used for the growth of the plants, because most of soil does not provide the essential nutrient required for the growth. That's why farmers use the fertilizer. Fertilizers are two types, that are the artificial fertilizer or natural fertilizer. The artificial fertilizers also known as the chemical fertilizers, and natural fertilizers are also known as the organic fertilizers. The natural fertilizers include domestic animal wastage, vermicompost and other derivatives. But these fertilizers cannot give the yield expected by the farmers. So farmers are forcefully refer the artificial fertilizers, and the artificial fertilizers mainly contain the NPK. NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and the nitrate fertilizer after entering the water are unfit for drinking and also cause diseases. And if you drink this water, the nitrate of this water is converted into nitrite in our body, because in our intestinal microbial reaction, microbes are react with nitrate and it converted into nitrite, and this nitrite is harmful for our body. This nitrite then combine with hemoglobin of blood to form methemoglobin, and due to methemoglobin oxygen carrying capacity is reduced and result into disease is methemoglobemia, and this is also lead to damage to respiratory and vascular system. Blue coloration of skin. Why is a blue coloration of skin? Because the oxygen carrying capacity of RBC is reduced, because of the hemoglobin is converted into the methemoglobemia, and this is also cause to blue coloration of skin, and it also lead to the cancer. The healthy person contain 0.8% of methemoglobin, and above 20% there begin headache, and above 60% there begin to unconsciousness, stiffness and ocular problem, and above 80% the death will be occur. The nitrate poisoning is frequent in Rajasthan due to hard and saline water, and several children are died due to this problem. So minimum use of artificial fertilizer is required. Fertilizer also contain phosphate and nitrate. When phosphate, nitrate along with sewage water body are nutrient rich and this become more productive is called as a eutrophication, and eutrophication is mainly due to the phosphate and nitrate, and these are the growth factors. Phosphate and nitrate is growth factor, and when it along with sewage water bodies are nutrient rich and this become are more productive is known as a eutrophication. Excessive growth of algae on water surface. We can see here the excessive growth of algae on water surface. Due to this floating algae, oxygen level of water decreases and the carbon dioxide level are increases, means biological demands of water is increases. It also causes death of fishes and animal, due to which clean water body is converted into the polluted water. Because of this the water body are polluted, and the light penetration power is also reduced due to this algal floating. So eutrophication is main fact due to the phosphate and nitrate. Pesticides. Pesticides means the chemical which kill the pest or arrest the growth of pest are known as the pesticides. It include herbicides, bactericides, insecticides, nematicides, fungicides, weedicides. Then the most harmful of these chemical which enter to degrade or degrade very slowly in nature. According to the Parsons, in 1985, pesticides related death in developing countries are 10,000 per year and about 1 to 1.5 to 2 million suffer from acute poisoning. Some chemicals are, because of these harmful chemicals, enter our food chain and increase their concentration in successive trophic level. And the some most toxic pesticides are DDT, BSC, aldrin, and chlordane, etc. These are the most harmful chemical, and most chemicals are banned in many countries because of these side effects. Then the pesticides, for example, DDT. The DDT enters into the pond and it taken by the phytoplankton. Then it goes to the zooplanktons which feed on the by the phytoplankton. So any organism when consume pesticides, the pesticides are accumulated into the trophic level, like DDT enter into pond, then phytoplanktons feed on the pond, then it takes the DDT, and the zooplanktons feed on phytoplanktons, it take DDT into the form of their food. Then fishes are feed on the zooplankton, then the DDT accumulate in the fish body. The birds are fed on the fish body, the DDT also accumulate in the bird's body. Mean the each successive trophic level, the pesticides are accumulated in the food chain in each trophic level. When any organism consume pesticide, then the pesticides goes accumulating into the tissue. This is known as a bioaccumulation, and these accumulated pesticides are traveled through the trophic level. Its concentration goes on increasing. This is known as a biomagnification or biological amplification, and these are the produce many harmful effect to the body. Due to the pesticides, acute poisoning is caused by the consumption of pesticides, resulting into the kidney malfunctioning, excess of amino acid in blood, acidic urine, abnormalities of brain tissue, and it causes adverse effect on our sense organs also. These are the many most chronic or acute diseases due to the pesticides, and the most of the pesticides are the poisonous, so many countries ban these pesticides. Then these are the one of the example of pesticides is DDT. So DDT concentration increases at successive trophic level in food chain, and this phenomenon is known as a biological amplification or biomagnification. These definitions are also important, and this is the one second source of water pollution is agricultural washout. First is sewage. So here effect of the agricultural discharge on ecosystems. Today our two subpoints, sewage and agricultural discharge, is finished. So today I stop here.